What if I told you that the tool everyone's calling the next big AI breakthrough, the one people are literally buying Mac Minis for just to run, is not really ready for business use yet? Yes, I am talking about ClawdBot, the viral AI agent that promises to automate practically every part of your digital life. Yes, it is powerful, and that's exactly why it's also quite dangerous for most companies today. First, let's clarify what this thing actually is. ClawdBot is an open source AI agent that you install on your own machine or server. Open source simply means that the code is publicly available, anyone can run it, modify it, or deploy it themselves. But once it is set up, it plugs into your day-to-day apps. Think WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, email, calendar, CRMs, you name it. And it doesn't just chat, it acts. It can organize files, schedule meetings, reply to messages, move data, and even execute system-level commands. And that's why it went viral. People started calling it the first real autonomous digital assistant. They were even claiming this is the first version of AGI that we have. But as good as it is, it does have some serious issues which I'm about to cover. Issue number 1, security risk is not theoretical. People keep saying to me, just don't give it sensitive data. Unfortunately, that's not how really ClawdBot works, because it connects directly to your systems. It stores all of your API keys locally. It uses and knows your authentication tokens and credentials. And even security researchers have flagged that careless deployment can expose, again, credentials, API keys, admin interfaces, even command shells. Why? Because many installations are misconfigured. Interfaces can accidentally be exposed to the internet. Credentials may be stored insecurely. Admin panels have been found publicly accessible. And this is not just a maybe, it's quite literally happening, and this is why people are buying those Mac Minis. If this bot has access to your email, CRM, payment stack, it's not just a convenience, this is your entire operational layer that it has real access to. Issue number 2, prompt injection. Here's the one that almost nobody really understands, and that's prompt injection. This is when someone sends a message, like an email for example, that contains hidden instruction. The AI reads it, interprets it as valid, and executes it. That means an attacker doesn't need backend access anymore. They just need the bot to read something that's malicious. And if the bot has authority to act and execute, it can expose data, trigger actions, change workflows, process payments. And that's fundamentally different from what a normal chatbot does or what we've had over the last couple of years. Because this is not just a conversation, it's direct execution. Issue number 3, regulatory risks. Now, let's talk about something business owners actually care about, which is liability. ClawdBot has, as of right now, no enterprise governance layer. There's no SLAs, there's no enterprise compliance guarantees, no centralized security oversight, and if something breaks or leaks, it's on you. And in environments dealing with client data, financial records, healthcare information, and regulated industries, it's not just risky, it's quite literally legally dangerous. Once you connect this to business data, you're not just trusting software, you're extending your security parameters to a community project. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, damn, I still want some automation or I want some agents in my business without the risks, that's exactly the point. Do not copy viral setups. And if you're thinking about building your own custom AI system or agent, just send us a message. We'll map out a secure AI architecture tailored to your business so you get the automation without introducing the hidden risks. Because the goal isn't just hype, it's to build direct leverage. Issue number 4, scaling is not linear. ClawdBot does look scalable at first, but it scales inside its design constraints. So, as workflows get more complex, as usage increases, as edge cases appear, you start patching. Workarounds, manual overrides, extra scripts, and that quickly becomes technical debt. And technical debt compounds a hell of a lot faster than revenue. Issue number 5, long-term stability and dependency. Here's the final issue. Open source projects move really fast. They also pivot fast. So maintainers change, security models evolve, features get depreciated. If your core business workflows depend on a rapidly evolving open project, you're building critical infrastructure on something that has no long-term continuality or guarantee. That's fine for experimentation, but it's not fine for business assets. Let's be clear. ClawdBot is extremely impressive. It's quite literally a glimpse into the future of autonomous AI agents, but there's a big difference between playing with tools and building infrastructure. If AI is going to sit inside your business, it needs to be secure, controlled, structured, compliant, and most importantly, built around your workflows, not a plug and pray type of system. So if you want the benefits of ClawdBot, like autonomous execution, smart automation, and genuine real leverage but built properly, then book your free ROI-based clarity call using the link below. And on that call, we'll personally map out your current workflows, identify automation leverage points, design a secure AI system tailored to you, and show you what it would look like to build your own version without the unmanaged risk. Because AI agent building or automation should not make you vulnerable, it should make you unstoppable. Hit the link below and let's build properly.